Hey guys, what is going on? It's Dr. Linz, and today we are doing another Mobility Monday. Let me know below if you want to do some upper body stuff, because again, we are going to focus on that lower body, posterior chain, and hip region. Okay, but before we get into it too, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe so you never miss another Mobility Monday. Okay, so let's go ahead and get on to it. We're gonna start with stretching out our posterior chain and working into those hips. All right, so what we're gonna do, shoulder width apart, we're gonna roll the body down to the floor, walk it out with the hands. Good, now we're gonna push through 3 times. Push through, heels into the floor, relax, and push through 2. 1 more, push through 3. Now what I want you to do is kick that left leg up, forward between the hands. That's going to get into that hip flexor area. We're going to hold it with both hands here. Now we're going to rotate to the left, to that front leg, and we're going to lift up our left hand to the sky. Hold it there. If you need to drop down your knee, you can. If you can't, hold that up. Good, now we're going to switch sides. So right leg forward, stretching that back left hip flexor. Now we're going to rotate to the right, reach up to the sky. Nice deep breathing. Good, let's come back down. Get on both knees now, and we're going to do something similar, but slightly different stretch. Left leg is forward. Good, tuck those hips under. We're gonna lean forward slightly. Take that left hand into the center of that groin area, and then we're gonna reach up with our right hand, rotating to the right. So if you need to look up at the screen to see how I'm facing, please do so. You're gonna feel a stretch into the hip flexor, and then it's gonna go up into the abdominal area. Good. Now let's do right leg forward. Put that right arm in front. Now we're gonna rotate to the left and up. You're gonna feel a stretch into that left back hip flexor and up to the abdominal area. I'm going to show you something at the end here that you're not going to want to miss. We're going to hit a deep muscle that attaches in the hip flexor area and into the low back. So that's going to be super beneficial. Good. Let's go ahead one more time to the push through. Push through. 1. Push through. 2. Push 3. Hold it. Heels into the floor. Straighten the legs out. Deep breath in, 1. Deep breath out. Good, now let's go ahead. We're gonna lay on our backs. We're gonna be taking our legs around town here. So we're going up with the right leg to the left. Drop it down. Bring it up. Now we're gonna drop it to the right. Stretch out those adductors. There went my hip. Bring it up to the center. Drop it to the left. Keep those shoulders touching the floor. Up to center. Out to the right. Good. Switch sides. Left leg up. Over to the, oh, I just switched sides for you. Over to the left, sorry guys. Up to the center. We're gonna go to the right now, crossing over the body. Up to the center. Out to the right. And center. Back down. Good. Here's what I want to show you. You're going to be having your legs bent slightly, like so. Back will then lie flatter on the floor. What I want you to do is feel for that belly button, and we're going to slide our fingers over to the outside of our abdominal area. And what we're going to do is be strumming these deep hip flexor muscles, okay? So specifically, we're strumming that psoas muscle. If we get in there nice and deep, okay, and then we'll go ahead and switch sides, go across here. Okay, one more time. Good, and if that area is really tight, sometimes you can feel it depending on how good your palpation skills are. Good, so that is a cool move where you can hit that psoas muscle that gets in there. That's a deeper muscle that attaches to the hips, to the low back. So go ahead, repeat that about 3 more times. Let me know below if you enjoyed this short, sweet, and effective Mobility Monday session. All right, guys, until next time, if you need anything, let me know. And also don't be afraid to join the Daily Feel Good. That will be linked up below. Love you guys so much.